Hello Mr. Sharma. Hello Mr. Rohit Sharma. Hello Mr. Rohit. Did you listen that I spoke same name but with 3 different styles? Yes, of course. Would you like to know which one was right and which one was wrong? If yes, so you need to watch this video till the end to clear all your confusions towards the topic titles. Yes, our today's topic is titles. And this is Pallavi Kesharwani, founder of Personalopedia, which is a platform to grow personality. Let's begin our today's video without further delay. So, basically, titles are categorized into 2 different parts, males and females. If I talk about males, so males can be known by 3 different titles which are Master, Mr. and Sir. Yes. Let's talk about the first one, Master. Yes. Master. In India, most of the people even do not know about it. Master. We think Master means a teacher. But no, it's not like that. Master is also a title. So we use Master for a boy who is less than 15 or 16 years old. For example, meet my son, Mr. Sunny. Do you think that it is right? No, not at all, because my son is only 7 years old. So how can he be Mr.? We need to use Master. The correct one is meet my son, Master Sunny. Mr. Mr. is basically used for man. Yes, man. That man can be married or unmarried, but he should be more than 16 years old, because less than 16 we use Master. For example, let's go and watch movie with Mr. Kapoor, or you can say Mr. Abhishek Kapoor, but you cannot say Mr. Abhishek. Yes, that was the same example which I gave in the starting of my video. So if I talk about Mr. Abhishek, this is wrong, because title is never ever used with the first name of any person. Yes, Mr. You cannot say Mr. Abhishek, but you can say Mr. Kapoor. Title can be used, it is used with Kapoor, that means the last name. Or you can also say Mr. Abhishek Kapoor. This is also correct. So Mr. Abhishek, wrong. Mr. Abhishek Kapoor, correct. Mr. Kapoor, absolutely correct. Sir. Sir is one of the titles which you need to earn. Yes, you cannot get this title so easily. This kind of title is given only to those people who have done something great. Yes, for example, Sir C.V. Raman. You will not listen this title Sir in front of any name. Only this is given to those people who has done something great. Mr. Subhash Chandra Bose, or we can say Sir Subhash Chandra Bose, because they have done something great. Now, let's move towards the second category of titles, which is females. Yes, so females are also divided into girls and women, or we can say lady. So for females, we use different titles like Miss, Ms, Mrs, Ma'am, Madam. Yes, these are the 5 titles which are totally different. We use it differently in a different manner. Miss. Focus on the sound sa. Yes. So basically we use the title Miss for the girls who are not married. Yes, who are unmarried. So we can say Miss Neha. Let's go and have party with Miss Neha. Because Neha is unmarried, so we can use the title for Neha is Miss Neha. Exactly. Ms. Yes, here the pronunciation is Z. Here the pronunciation is totally different. First one was Miss and second one is Ms. Focus on the sound Z and Z. Z, Z. Yes, so when you are calling somebody with Ms, you can say it is used for those people, for those women whom we cannot recognize whether the lady is married or unmarried. where I don't know, I am not confirm about that lady, whether she is married or unmarried, at that time we can use the title Ms. For example, you are working in an office and you don't know whether that lady who is working with you is married or unmarried. So at that time it is safe to call her Ms. instead of Miss or Mrs. Yes. You can say, hey Ms. Neha, or you can say, hey Ms. Neha Keshavani. Mrs. Mrs. is another title which is used for married ladies. Yes, married ladies. The ladies who are married. For example, Miss Neha is married with Mr. Kapoor. Now, she will become Mrs. Kapoor or Mrs. Neha Kapoor. You cannot call her Mrs. Neha. That will be wrong. So, a lady uses basically her husband's last name. So, here her name will become Mrs. Neha Kapoor. Ma'am or Madam. Ma'am or Madam we use basically for those women whom we don't know or we are meeting for the first time. Their name we don't know. So it is safe to call them Ma'am or Madam. Yes. For unmatured who are looking young, we can say Ma'am. Hello ma'am, would you like to help me? Hello madam, do you need my help? So at that time you can say Ma'am or Madam. Now, if you want to address a couple together, yes, if you want to call a couple together, you can use Mr. and Mrs. Kapoor. Together you can say, hello Mr. and Mrs. Kapoor. This is the better title. There are two more titles which are exceptional from the above which I have already mentioned. Yes, those are Doctor and Professor. So basically, Doctor is used for those who have completed their PhD. Yes, if you are a PhD holder, you can use the title Doctor before your name. For example, Dr. Pallavi Keshavani. Yes, if I complete PhD, then I can call myself Dr. Pallavi Keshavani. Professor. Yes, so professor is basically used for those who are teaching in any college. Yes, so you can respectively, with full respect, you can call your sir who is teaching in your college, you can call him professor. Yes, professor. Professor is used for them. So I hope that my today's video has cleared all your doubts related to titles. Now I hope you are not going to make any mistake in addressing somebody with proper titles. So please remember all the things which I told in my today's video and keep learning with my videos. If you like it, please give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel and share it with your friends as well so that they get the learnings free of cost. Thank you so much everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.